Hey guys, welcome back, me again. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply eyelashes. So many girls have told me they don't know how to put on eyelashes. I'm going to be using eyelashes I got from wish.com. These ones I've had for a while. I really was happy with them and they were super affordable. The ones I'm going to put on are quite long. These ones are so long. I'm not sure if they're going to work out, but yeah. So the very first thing, you're obviously going to just take it off very gently. You don't want to break the band, so just be very careful with that. And then as you can see, the band is quite straight, so what we need to do is actually bend the band, curve it, because your eyelid is curved, so we want to definitely curve it like that. Hold it for a couple of seconds just so we can bend that band, or else it will lift if we don't bend it. Alright, want to create a really nice, really a C shape, but just a really good bend, like that. That's it. Great stuff. If it is too long, you can also cut it. I have very long lids, as you can see, so I don't normally have to cut my eyelashes, but I know some girls have to cut them. And yeah, if you're gonna cut from the end, not from the inside. Next thing, we're gonna go in with our glue. Put on a very thin layer. You don't want to put on too much glue because then it's going to take longer to stick, and that's not a good thing. So you don't really need that much, just a nice thin layer. Preferably the black glue is better. I prefer using the black glue. You also get the white glue. I prefer the black because my eyeliner is black, my makeup is always smoky, so it really does get camouflaged. The next we're going to do, go ahead with the other eye, do the same thing, bend it over, create that C shape. Alright. And then of course, go back with the glue, a nice thin layer guys, nothing too thick please. A little goes a long way. Okay. Awesome. So we're going to put that aside, alright, for just like maybe let's say 1 minute. While the glue sort of gets tacky and not dry, but a little not so wet, we're going to go in and just touch up with our mascara. You can do your mascara before if you want. I think for the beginners, do your mascara before. But because I've been doing this for a while, I know how to time the glue. So I'm going to just quickly go in and apply my mascara while I wait for the glue to get a bit sticky. So we're just going to do that. And then I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. Again, this is optional. The eyeliner is optional, but I do recommend that we do use mascara. Mascara is important to put on before because I feel like, in my opinion, it holds the eyelash. It sort of gives the eyelash a foundation to sit on. So putting on mascara before you put on your eyelashes is a very important part of it, especially if you don't have, like, if you have thin eyelashes. That mascara will really hold your eyelashes up. They won't feel so heavy. So as you can see now, I'm just putting on my eyeliner, which is going to also help because you won't see the glue as well. But if you don't put eyeliner on, there's a very high chance you might see the glue. But that's really not a problem. Well, it is a problem, but just depends how you put it on. Cool guys, so that's it. My eyeliner is done. I'm ready to put on my eyelashes. There we go. Okay, cool. So very first one, right? I'm going to grab the first eye I put glue on. I'm going to work from the outside of my eye. Let it sit there for a while. Not a while, just like a second. You want to put it from the outside and then work your way to the middle and then work your way to the inside of your eye, right? And you're putting pressure down. You want to get it as close to the lash line as possible. So right now I'm just pushing the lash down as close as possible to my lash line, putting a bit of pressure, and there we go. It's very important, guys, to wait for that glue to get a bit sticky. Don't put on the glue when it's still wet, or else it's going to slip and fall off, and it's going to just really, I think that's where a lot of girls go wrong. They put on the glue and they put it on immediately. Put on the glue on the eyelash, let it sit for a while, for like 30 seconds or a minute, just so it gets sticky, then apply it on your eye. Now I'm going on with the other eye, starting from the outside, working my way inwards. Can you see how the eyelash is just sticking because it's not fresh from the tube? So it's really awesome. So we're sticking it down there. Position it until you're happy. And then I'm going to put some pressure onto the eyelash. Just getting it as close to that lash line as possible. Cool. So now we're just going to wait for that to dry. So we're going to wait for that eyelash to we're going to wait for the glue to dry up. And then if you see any corners you want to push it down. You don't want any gaps. Push it down. These lashes are super long. I don't normally wear lashes this long, but for the sake of this video I thought I would just wear them. Cool, guys. So after a couple of minutes, once your glue has dried, you're going to take your fingers very gently. You're going to squeeze the lash, the false lash with your natural lash, so that they can join and become one. Do this very gently. You do not want the lash to stick on your finger and you pull it off. So you're just squeezing the false lash with your natural lash so that they do become one. And there we go. Let the glue dry again. And guys, that's pretty much it. Your lashes are on, they're secure, no corners are gonna come off. They should not come off. They stuck. My natural lashes are one with the false. Great stuff. So guys, while the lashes are getting dry, I will just touch up the rest of my makeup. Just touch up the rest while we wait for that glue to really be solid and dry. The next trick I really like, and this is so helpful if the lashes feel heavy, is that you take a mascara, your favorite mascara, and then you put on mascara on the roots of your lashes. Not on the whole lash, just on the roots. What this does is that it creates a sort of like, it sort of holds your eyelashes up, so it makes it feel like it makes the lashes feel less heavy. It gives it a really awesome foundation. I've heard a lot of girls say that their lashes feel heavy. It feels like something is like sitting on their eyelash, on their eyes. If you put mascara on the roots, it really does make a difference. It makes them just feel lighter and feel it really does help. So give that a go. Great stuff, guys. One more trick and we are done. I love this secret of mine. I do this all the time. What I usually do when everything is done and my whole makeup is done, I go in with my favorite mascara. Alright, there we go. Go in with my favorite mascara. Make sure that the tip of the mascara isn't full of too much product, because we're going to use that tip of that mascara, so you don't want too much product on there. And then I really like to sort of just put on a little bit of a mascara on the lower lashes of my natural lashes. What this does is that it creates a balance between the false lashes and my natural lashes. It creates a really awesome balance. So just I know some girls don't have like eyelashes on the lower lash, but if you do, give this a try. It really creates it just brings everything together. So not too much, just a little bit. really also creates this like doll like effect. It makes your eyes also slightly like, just to make your eyes pop, but it complements those false lashes as well, really, really well. And there we go. And make sure, guys, for the lower lash, make sure you use waterproof mascara. You do not want to use the one that's not waterproof mascara for this trick, because it's so close to your lash line and to your waterline. We don't want it to smudge throughout the day. And that's it. Voila. Cool, guys, I'm done. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. And that's how we have it. Easy peasy. And yeah, I'm very happy with this look. Leave your comments in the comments below. Let me know what your thoughts are, if you have any questions, and what, like, you know, if you need any help with anything else. I'm definitely here to assist you guys. And yeah. Hey guys, so that's officially it. I'm officially done. This takes me about 2 to 3 minutes every day to put on. And also just remember, like, practice makes perfect. I know a lot of girls have told me like it's so difficult for them to put lashes on, but it takes practice. You know what I mean? The more you get used to doing it, the more easier it becomes. That's like riding a bicycle. So don't put too much pressure on yourself, especially if you're someone that doesn't wear lashes all the time. So of course it's not going to be easy for everybody, but just remember, practice makes perfect. And that's it. So please don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe and share it with your friends as well. I know there's so many girls that are like, I don't know how to put lashes on, so they don't put lashes on. That's so boring. Why not challenge yourself? But anyways, that's it for now. I'll be making more videos soon. Cool, guys, thank you so much. Bye.